Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners 2023 Honda XR150L. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and the thrill of exploration. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can profoundly impact their journey. In 2023, the Honda XR150L emerges as a standout option, celebrated for its versatility, accessible power, and beginner-friendly features. It stands as the ultimate dual-sport motorcycle for those embarking on off-road adventures. With its balanced performance, rugged design, and rider-focused attributes, the XR150L provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and dual-sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Reliable power and off-road versatility. At the heart of the 2023 Honda XR150L lies a reliable 150cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine provides ample power and torque, making it equally proficient on highways and off-road trails. Rugged design and trail-ready features. The XR150L boasts a rugged and trail-ready design, featuring long travel suspension, spoke wheels, and substantial ground clearance. These elements equip it to handle dirt trails, rocky paths, and challenging off-road terrain with confidence. Comfortable ergonomics and adventure-focused layout. Rider comfort is a top priority in the XR150L's design. It offers an upright and accommodating riding position that ensures ease during extended rides and off-road adventures. The well-cushioned seat, wide handlebars, and rider-friendly ergonomics enhance the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road agility. Despite its power, the 2023 Honda XR150L exhibits nimble handling and off-road agility. Its lightweight frame, capable suspension, and responsive characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently navigate the bike in challenging conditions, whether it's tackling technical trails or exploring remote terrains. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders, and the XR150L often comes equipped with features like disc brakes, robust tires, and protective guards. These features enhance safety and instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of dual-sport riding. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the XR150L excels in off-road adventures, it is versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, city rides, weekend getaways, and off-road exploration, making it an all-encompassing dual-sport motorcycle. Community and rider connection. Honda enthusiasts and dual-sport riders form a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow adventurers who share a passion for off-road exploration and the XR150L's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The 2023 Honda XR150L encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Cost-efficient adventure. The XR150L is known for its affordability and cost-effective ownership. It offers an excellent balance between price, performance, and capability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embark on off-road adventures without a substantial financial commitment. Customization options and personalization. The XR150L offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor their motorcycles to their individual preferences. Whether it's adding luggage racks, auxiliary lights, or other accessories, the XR150L can be personalized to reflect the rider's unique style. Conclusion. In 2023, the Honda XR150L continues to embody the spirit of adventure and Honda's commitment to providing the ultimate dual-sport motorcycle for beginners. With its reliable power, rugged design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the XR150L offers an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a 2023 Honda XR150L as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for adventure, exploration, and the joy of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels. The XR150L is not just a motorcycle, it's the key to unlocking a world of off-road excitement and unforgettable experiences in 2023.